Hi everyone, tonight I'll be making spinach tomato mini pies. What all goes into the spinach tomato mini pies? A pie crust that we need to cut circles out of. Make sure that you have your dough out for at least 20 minutes before you get ready to make this. 1/3 cup frozen spinach, chopped, thawed, and drained. 1/3 cup ricotta cheese. 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese. 2 small Roma tomatoes, each cut into 6 thin slices. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. So I have my pie shell here. I'm going to spread it out just a little bit. And I'm going to make some rings. Hopefully they'll be big enough. And I'm only going to do 3. Take your pie plate, spray it with nonstick cooking spray. I usually take it and spread it to all crevices. And these are my new vancasso mini pie plates. I'll leave a link down below. They also come in blue. All right, so we'll take our circle, stick that in the bottom. These do not have to go all the way up to the sides like a pie. They just need to go up part way to hold it in, like that. And I'm stretching them just a little bit, not too much so they tear. And the last one. And you can save your leftover dough for whatever you want it. Or you can make more. Take a small bowl, mix the spinach, which is 1/3 cup, the 1/3 ricotta cheese, and the 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, and mix that all together. And I'm going to just spread that out, just so you don't want it to go above your crust, like so. And I probably won't use all of my tomatoes since they're not in the muffin tins. I'm just going to lay about 3 tomato slices on each one. Like so. So put your spinach tomato mini pies in a preheated 375-degree oven for 20 minutes. So here is the spinach tomato mini pie. Let's see what Dave thinks.
There's green stuff in my stuff.
It's spinach.
I love spinach.
It's spinach tomato mini pie. It's gonna be really hot.
Having problems getting a piece of tomato. There we go. Well, I don't have a category to put this in, but when you said spinach, I wasn't expecting to like it.
Does it kind of taste like spinach dip?
I don't know. I don't eat spinach dip.
Because I'm thinking that's kind of what it might fall into the category with the cheeses and stuff. But
Well, you know, I was not expecting to like this because it had spinach in it, because I am not a a big spinach fan. I like raw spinach, but I don't generally like it cooked. But it's pretty good. So, yeah, I kind of like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.